students, I am back with another interesting topic. Now children, today's session is about subtraction using a number grid. But before I teach you that, I would like to discuss a few very important points with you. Children, a good relationship starts with a good communication, and the most common means of communication these days is a phone call. So, if you have to make a phone call or you have to attend one, there are few things you all should know. First, you all should start the conversation with a greeting. Children, you must greet the person you are talking to. Then, you should identify yourself and address the caller very courteously. You should always keep the conversation brief and try to listen what is said. Now, you should first let the caller hang up. You should not be in a haste to end up the call. Now children, coming back to our topic. Now children, I will teach you how to subtract using a number grid. This is a 10 by 10 number grid. Why 10 by 10? Because it has 10 columns and 10 rows. You can make this grid by taking a paper and making 10 columns and 10 rows. Then you can write numbers from 1 to 100. Now children, let's solve this exercise. A few numbers are given and you have to find out 10 less than these numbers. So, how to use the grid to find out? Now children, one thing about this grid. If you move upwards one line, it will mean that you are subtracting 10. And if you move one column backwards, it means you are subtracting one number. You will be able to understand as I will solve the sums. Now the first number is 16. We have to find out 10 less than 16. So how will I do? First I will find out where is 16. Here it is. Now moving backwards 10. So what I have to do? I will just move one row above. So from 16 I will move to 6. And 6 is 10 less than 16. See how simple it is. A grid is very important and it is very useful. Now the next number is 29. So I will find out where 29 is. Here it is. And I have to find out 10 less than 29. So I will move one row above. 19. So the answer is 19. Now the next number is 56. 56 is here. 10 less than 56. So what we will do? One row above. 10 less than 56 is 46. Now the last number, 73. Here it is. Now to subtract 10, what are we going to do? Just move one line above. 73 is here. We will move one line above and reach 63. So 10 less than 73 is 63. See how easy it is. Now children, let's solve another exercise. Here you have to find out 30 less. These numbers are given and you have to find out 30 less or you have to subtract 30. Now same ways, if you have to subtract 30, then we will move above 3 lines. So the first number is 32. First step to find out where 32 is. From 32, we will move 3 rows above. 1 row, 2 rows and 3 rows. So 30 less than 32 is 2. From 32, we will move to 2. So 2. Now the next number is 57. 57 minus 30. So we will move 3 rows above. 1 row, 2 rows and 3 rows. So 30 minus 57 will be 27. Now the next number is 89. 89 minus 30. Same ways we will move 3 rows above. 1, 2 and 3. Where did we reach? We reached 59. So 30 minus 89 will be 59. Now children, we have to solve another exercise where we have to subtract 2-digit numbers using the subtraction grid. Now, how to do this? The first number is 22. So, moving on to 22. We have to subtract 11. So, what will we do? To subtract 11, we will first subtract 10 and then one more. So, from 22, if we subtract 10, we have to move 1 row above. So, moving 1 row above, we will reach 12. Then, we will move 1 number backward and we will reach 11. Now, I will explain you once again. Now, let's break 11 into 10 and 1. So, first we will subtract 10, then 1. So, from 22, we will move to 12. That means we moved 1 row above and subtracted 10. Then we will move 1 number backward and reach 11. So, the answer is 11. Now, let's move to another sum. Here we have to subtract 40 from 75. So, for subtracting 40, children, we have to move 4 rows above. So, first we will go to 75. From 75, we will move above 4 rows. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows and 4 rows. So, from 75, we will reach 35. So, our answer will be 35. Now, let's move on to another sum. 85 minus 24. Now, children, what we will do? We will start from 85 and move to, starting from 85, we will move 2 rows above, 1 and 2. So, from here, we will reach 65. And from 65, we will move 4 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 85 moving, from 85 we will move 2 rows above, then we will move 4 numbers backwards. So, I will explain it to you how we did. Subtracting 24, we will break 24 into 20 and 4. First we subtracted 20 by moving 2 rows above. Then we subtracted 4 by moving 4 number backward. So now the answer is 61. We reached 61. So 85 minus 24 is equal to 61. Now children, these are a few questions for your practice work. First question, you have to subtract minus 10. So I have written minus 10 and these are the numbers. You have to write minus 10, the numbers are 19, 54 and 88. In the next question, you have to write 30 less, or you have to subtract 30 from these numbers. 30 less than 41, 30 less than 66 and 30 less than 75. And then you will subtract these numbers with the help of number grid. I am sure you will practice well.